everyone, I'm Miss Phonics and welcome to my channel where learning phonics is easy and fun. Today we're going to be practicing oral blending. Oral blending is where we listen carefully to the sounds and put them together to make a word. I'm going to sound out each word 2 times and then I want to hear you say the word. For example, I will say at, and I want to hear you say cat. Let's turn our listening ears on. Are we ready? Let's get started. I, o, I, o. Hill, o, f, o, f. Off, k, I, s, k, I, s. Kiss, s, e, o, s, e, o. Sell, I, s, I, s. Miss, b, e, o, b, e, o. Bell, a, f, I, n, a, f, I, n. Muffin, p, a, f, I, n, p, a, f, I, n. Puffin. Well done! You've worked really hard today and now you know how to do it. You can practice with your friends or family. I can't wait to see you again soon. Goodbye!